This was Shabab areas for the last 3-4 years. The idea was to expand our area of responsibility. Al-Shabaab had covered most of the areas of Mogadishu. We started from 5 districts and we extended to 12 districts. Mogadishu had about 16 districts. The first phase of operations was to come and capture Wana. Second phase was to capture Mogadishu. Mogadishu is significant to us in a sense that if you capture Mogadishu Stadium, you control most areas in Mogadishu. So that's why we pushed and ensure that we have captured this area. The operation has taken us 1 week. Oh, I'm happy to be here because now I really have a dominating area that I control. This is an area of, it's very tactical to us because we over-dominate all of the area in Mogadishu. Our intention is first to consolidate the gains in Mogadishu before we can hope of pursuing Al-Shabaab outside Mogadishu.
It's an amazing feeling. I can't describe the feeling that we all feel as Somalis. I myself used to come to this stadium as a young man to watch soccer games. To this place up until 48 hours ago was under the Al-Shabaab control, and as you can see today, it is under our Somali troops and Amasan troops under our control.